Are you looking for a waterfront building in one of the most dynamic, amazing neighborhoods in the city? My name is Denise Mai.
And this is Malika Wadera. Today we have a modern contemporary home, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom in the heart of New Westminster City.
This is conveniently located right across the street from the Skytrain. This is truly unbeatable location. You've also got the waterfront boardwalk, the New Westminster Pier, tons of shopping, amenities, and so much more. And we can't wait
to give you a tour.
This is elevated living. As you step inside, you're greeted by zero wasted square footage. This is one of the most modern yet spacious design. This kitchen is absolutely amazing. You've got these beautiful white polished quartz with a wide undermount sink. I absolutely love these large tile backsplash and the light wood cabinetry. You also have a Bosh appliance package with a 4-burner gas range included in your maintenance fees, an oven underneath. Plus, look at this large island with tons of storage, which can also be used as a dining room. And of course, you have the integrated fridge and freezer system. This design is modern yet elegant.
As you transition from the kitchen to this living room, this white black laminate flooring creates a sophisticated touch combining style and functionality. You have these large windows pouring in a lot of natural light and this 180-degree view with mountains, city, and the water. Moving on from the living room to this huge bedroom, imagine waking up to these stunning views as you're overlooking your balcony. This bedroom can actually fit up to a king-size bed. And not only that, you have huge closet space, perfect for all your clothing and accessory needs.
Unwind in your spa-inspired bathroom. You've got a soaker tub here and these beautiful floor-to-ceiling tiles. This is truly luxury. You've also got this functional vanity with easy storage without compromising the design.
Outside on the rooftop terrace, practice yoga and play badminton on a green activity space. Gather with friends and family around the fire pit and cookout area. Immerse yourself in a soak at sunset in sleek outdoor hot tub with striking views of cityscape and local mountains. Residents can kick back in the lounge with views of the river, create a feast in the chef's kitchen, or enjoy fully equipped fitness facility and multi-purpose room next door. Residents can also have access to an open-air children's play area. We have 32nd floor full of amenities where the residents and their guests can enjoy in a perfect setting and relax in a good company.
This location is truly unbeatable. You've got New Westminster Skytrain right across the street. You've got the waterfront boardwalk, New Westminster Pier, Douglas College around the corner, and tons of parks, recreations, and schools, and so much more. If you want to take a look at this amazing property, feel free to contact either one of us. My name is Denise Mai.
And this is Malika Wadera.
And we're more than happy to set up private viewing with you.